Welcome back, friends. Mari here at The Good Life with M. Last vlog, we took you to Moraine Lake. This was the first stop in our Banff adventures. So please sit back and watch our visit to Lake Louise. Coming at you in just a few seconds. Thanks again for coming back, and I hope you enjoy. We just got dropped off. It's a short hike to the lake, and you can already see it's already full of tourists. There's people on the lake. I'm hoping to get a kayak. We'll see though.
Oh yeah.
So this is so beautiful. I freaking love Canada. This is the reality of it, you guys. There's so many people.
Yeah, just wait and then we get a spot.
Look how like light green it is though.
Oh wait.
Yeah, it's like aqua or something. Okay, so now I'm here where there's more space, less people, and you can see people are kayaking. So we're gonna try to do this and see if we can get some time on the lake before we go back to Banff. So.
Oh, 8.
Oh shoot, that's slippery.
Yeah, careful.
Okay, 30 minutes, 155. Y'all, look how freaking aqua this is. Ooh, ooh. Hey, this is us in action. If I don't get it, we didn't do it. Just kidding. That is the Fairmont Chateau. Ooh, look at this lake. So pretty. Okay, I'm gonna put my, it's actually not too bad. It's cold, but it feels clean or something. I don't know what clean water is supposed to feel like, but that's what it feels like. So we're gonna drop this off here soon. Heading back to our shuttle. Here's a closer look at the chateau. So Bong changed his mind. He wants to do our 25-year wedding anniversary here. I wouldn't mind, I guess. It's beautiful. So I think we had a good time, right?
Yeah, that's good.
Now we're just heading back to the shuttle.
We'll grab something to eat.
Yeah, I know. We're going to eat at Sulphur Mountain. So destination number 3 on the way. It's nice and sunny right now. We're in the town of Banff. Just checking it out. We're gonna go try some Beavertails because that's what Mom wants to do. And it's a delicacy, I think, here in Canada. This bird just flew right above Mom's head. It reminds me of like an Oreo. It's pretty. As we were walking around town, my husband noticed this place called Hankki. It's a Korean street food restaurant. It's Calgary-based and is also located in some of the surrounding areas. This restaurant is family-friendly and they serve Korean street food and they sell Korean-style hot dogs, basically fancy corn dogs with meat or cheese filling or both. And they also serve rice bowls, sides, drink concoction in the form of aids like lemonade, and bingsu desserts, which is only in the Banff location only. So remember that, guys. If you want any kind of dessert, Banff location only. What is this? They're Beverly Hills in Banff.
For real?
No, because this is the expensive shops.
It's Wolf Street, downtown district.
I don't know. Oh, shoot. Oh, my God.
Oh, it's like a mall?
Yeah. As we were walking this fancy part of town, we came across Canada Goose. Now, if you're not familiar with this brand, it is a high-end outerwear brand that we've been seeing more often in the US. We wanted to see what the difference was as far as pricing here in Canada and between there and US, and really there's not much of a difference. So we ended up just kind of window shopping. Well, we've reached the end of my video. If you've made it this far, thanks so much for watching because I truly appreciate your support. If you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe. Once you subscribe, please hit that notification bell to be updated of new videos every week. For frequent updates, follow me on Instagram at The Good Life with M. See you next time.